Hello everybody, this is Charles Phillips with McKaig Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people. Today I'm going to show you how to use the collision alert settings in the 2020 Equinox LT. So this particular vehicle is equipped with that feature. Not all of them are. It's part of the driver confidence package, the safety package that comes as an option on the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. So right here in the middle of all of your cruise control buttons is going to be a little icon. Looks like a vehicle with kind of a star above it. So if we press that button and take a look at our driver information screen, you see we have a far setting, medium setting, near setting, and back to far. So there it is, guys. Pretty simple to use, the 2020 Equinox LT collision alert settings. Come see us here at McKaig Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people.